A high-profile crash involving a Grand River Transit bus, a Star High School student, and a controversial roundabout is making its way through the courts. Months after the driver was charged, his preliminary hearing began today. CTV's Nicole Lampa was at the courthouse. Nicole, what details do you have?
Megan, 39-year-old Rafael Quintanilla, who's from Hamilton, didn't show up in court. His lawyer was there on his behalf.
It was a closed-door session this afternoon between the provincial prosecutor and Quintanilla's lawyer. Back in October, Quintanilla was driving this bus when it hit 16-year-old Cassi Lam, who was on her way to school. It happened at the roundabout at Homer Watson and Block Line. Nearly 2 weeks later, Quintanilla was charged with careless driving. In the wake of the crash, there were protests by Lam's friends about the safety of the roundabout. The region listened, changing the speed limit at the roundabout, and took down this yield sign for a stop sign. And while the court hears from Quintanilla's lawyer, Cassi Lam's family is preparing to sue the driver, as well as the City of Kitchener, Regional Municipality of Waterloo, and the Grand River Transit Authority for extensive personal damage.
She still has cognitive impairments relating to her severe brain injury. She has facial scarring and has orthopedic injuries as well.
Quintanilla's lawyer wouldn't provide a comment at this time. The region tells us that Quintanilla is still employed at the GRT doing other things besides driving. His next court date is May 25th. As for the lawsuit, the law firm is finishing up its own investigation and expects papers to be filed in the next few months. Megan?
All right, thanks, Nicole.